I know I'm not here today, but I'm still with you, and I know you're being good boys and girls. Now, we're continuing for chapter 4.1, which has to do with a lot of a triangular and a circular trigonometry. And this particular section from 4.1 deals with DMS. DMS. You'll need a calculator, okay? Not all the time, but a lot of times. And also, it's called converting to decimal degrees. And also, degrees, minutes, and seconds. You'll know what that means. DMS simply means degrees, minutes, and seconds. DMS, okay? Now, I'm going to give you some stuff here. Look at this information. Decimal degrees. And you know what's great about a video lesson, since this is our first video lesson, is that you can stop me at any time, okay? When you feel like you have to stop, stop! And rewind and watch it over and over again, okay? Now, what if I gave you these two angles, okay? Decimal degrees. And this is called decimal degrees because it's 12.46 degrees. We're so used to dealing with 12 degrees, right? But not 12.46 degrees. What is that in DMS? So there's decimal degrees and there's DMS, okay? This section is DMS. And we are given DMS here, degrees, minutes, and seconds. That's what this apostrophe here and this quotation marks here means. Minutes and seconds, okay? So we have 120 degrees, 30 minutes, and 24 seconds. I'll explain to you more about why we need this and why we have all this, okay? But for now, let's worry about the computations, okay? Now, I want to go from decimal degrees to DMS, right? Of course, you can just punch that into your calculator. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, but what does that really mean? So I'm converting from decimal degrees to degree, minutes, and seconds. So think about it. I have 12 degrees for sure, but I've won 0.46 degrees more. So you have to understand something here. What does 0.46 degrees really mean? Think about that. Okay, so we're ready to start. So 12.46 degrees, right? That's what we have. Now, we for sure have 12 degrees, for sure. But we know that we're going to add something to it to make it degrees, minutes, and seconds. So it's going to somehow look like this right here. Okay? Now, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? You're right, 60. Okay? But we don't have a full 60 minutes, right? We have 0.46 of it. So 0.46. Okay? So we have 0.46 of 1 minute. That's what we have. So when we multiply this sucker here in your calculators, this is when you're going to need it. It's actually 27.6. So we're not done. Right now, so far, we have degrees, 12. Minutes, we have, you're right, it's the whole number part here. Integer part, 27 minutes. Now we got to finish the seconds. That means, look, we still have this guy to deal with. What do we do with this guy? It's 0.6 of seconds. How many seconds in 1 minute? Or how many seconds in 1 minute? It's 60 again. So we multiply by 60 again, which we get 36. Okay, that's why we put here 36 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to do all this in your calculator in just a sec, okay? So let's write that here. It's 12 degrees, 27 minutes, and 36 seconds. That's what that means. Think about this. Doesn't this make sense, you guys? 0.46 is about 46% of an hour. So 27 sounds right, okay? All right, so let's try that again. Now we're going to go reverse. Remember, we multiply by 60 because it's 60 minutes, 1 hour, right? Okay, 60 here because it's 66 in 1 minute, okay? Think about that, okay? Those are the good numbers. Now we're going to reverse that operation, okay? We're going to go from DMS to decimal degrees. So we start with 120 degrees, 30 minutes, and 24 seconds. And I know some of you guys are like, oh, I know what that's going to be. But let's just make sure, okay? So we know we for sure have 120. Now, we have 30, but what do we have 30 of? 30 of, remember, we're going reverse. So if we multiply by 60 here, we have to divide or multiply by 1 over 60. We're reversing the operation, okay? Now, how about 24? We do 24. Now, think about it. It's seconds, right? How many seconds, right? How many seconds in 60 minutes? In 60 minutes, how many seconds do we have? It's 60 times 60, which is You got it. 3,600, okay? Now, ask your buddy if they understand, if you are having a trouble understanding this part right here. Ask your buddy next to you, okay? All right, so it's going to be 1 over 60, because 60 minutes, right? And this is 60 seconds in 60 minutes, okay? So what do we get here? We get, this is 0.5. This calculates to 0.006 continuous, okay? So we get 120.506 repeating, okay? And that's going to be going right here, 120.506. And that's going to be our decimal degrees of 120 minutes, 120 degrees, 30 minutes, and 24 seconds, okay? So, again, let's try one more, okay? This is from number 72A in your book. 345.12 degrees. So this is a decimal degree. We needed to get it in DMS. So try doing that on your own right now. Just following whichever process fits it the most. Okay? Try doing it. Stop the video. Okay, so we're going to continue this. I'm going to go negative 345. We already have that. Okay? And I'm going to go 0.12 of 60 minutes. Okay? I got, this is equal to 27 points. Oh, notice I got 7.2. I got this as 7.2 here. Okay? So I know I have 345 degrees, 7 minutes. I need to get seconds, which means I take the decimal part here. 0.2 of 60 again. So I get, this is equal to 12. Okay? So I got 12 seconds. Check that. But now I'm going to give you an opportunity to check this all on your calculators. Believe it or not, your calculator has all these functions called DMS. If you put actually apostrophe or quotation marks, it actually calculates it for you. So you can try that. But now, I know a lot of you guys have different calculators. Now, take a look at this. Stop the video if you have TI 83, 84, 89, but Inspires is the easiest part. So stop the video and look at this if you have these calculators. I'm going to scroll this up. All right, so now if you have a TI Inspire, all you have to do is go to the equation editor. Okay, go scroll down to DMS. If you open a catalog, you can just go to DMS. Now, if you go to the actual catalog, the equation editor, it's this guy right here. See, he's the second row, second column, and it looks like this, okay? And you just type the numbers in based on what you have, okay? So go ahead and try that on your calculators, okay? Try this guy right here, 280.6 degrees. See what you get. So this is the decimal degree, so you want it in DMS, okay? So you should get 280 degrees, 36 minutes and 0 seconds. Number 69 here, this is DMS, so you need it. Now, if you do this, you guys, you can go degree, just insert it the way you see it in your TI Inspires too. So this one you should get 85.3083 degrees, okay? Check that on your calculator. If you're still a little bit confused, I'll show you that how to actually compute it, or you can look online, okay? All right, guys, have fun. Bye.